Namaste. Welcome to Quick and Effective Core Series. We have 10 minutes, so let's begin right away. Come to the front of your mat. Feet about hip distance, lower belly drawn in. Inhale, extending arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms back up. This time, lower your arms down to T shape and lean forward to flat back. Weight goes to your right foot. Slowly extending, left leg straight back. Point your toes, waking up your glute muscles. Concentrate in airplane. Almost there. And slowly lower the left foot down, fold forward. Let's root to rise up. Arms go over your head, gazing up. Exhale, arms down back to T shape and lean forward to flat back. Moving on to the left side. Weight goes to your left foot, extending right leg straight back. Keep staring at one spot. Use your core. Stay balanced. Very nice. Softly drop the right foot down, fold forward. Halfway flat back inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Come all the way up once more. Arms go over your head. Exhale, swan dive. Step back to plank position and feel your full body engaged. Come high onto your tippy toes and chaturanga, dandasana all the way to your belly. Walk your fingertips a little bit forward, lifting up to your chest, cobra. Exhale, slowly lower yourself down. Make your way to child pose. Bring your arms by your side. You can rest in your arms or rotating your wrists one direction, other direction. Extending arms straight forward, coming forward to tabletop position. Lower belly drawn in, push the ground. Extending right leg straight back, flexing your foot, drop the toes down. As you engage your core, left hand straight forward, and now begin to peel your arm and leg off of the ground. And slowly take it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more. Up. Softly down. 2 more. Up. Inhale. Exhale down. One last round. Inhale up. This time, releasing your arm down only. First, flexing your right foot. Drop the toes down. Your choice to stay on your palms or on your fists. Using your core to peel your left knee close to your chest. Take it down. Left knee to your chest. Softly down. 3 more. Pressing and lifting. Take it down. 2 more. Up. And down. One last round. Take it up and hold. 2, 1. Both knees down. Hips to your heels. Sit up tall on your knees. Very good. Arms up over your head. Exhale, arms behind your back. Interlacing your fingers, open your chest and your throat. Keep pressing your knuckles down, make sure you can breathe. As you exhale, hinging deeply into your hips forward and down. Your fists toward to the sky and gently rocking your shoulders side to side. Slowly extending arms straight forward. Make your way back to table, moving on to the other side. Lower belly drawn in, extending left leg back, flexing your foot, toes down. Extending right hand straight forward, peel your foot off of the ground, and softly take it down. 4 more, up. Exhale down. 3 more. Softly take it down. 2 more, up. Exhale down. Very good. One last round, up and hold. 2, 1. Take it down. Very good. Your choice again on your palms or on your fists. Pressing and lifting your right knee close to your chest, contracting your abdominal muscle. Take it down. 4 more. Up. Exhale softly down. 3. Up and down. Pressing and lifting and down. Very good. One last round. Up and hold. 2. Here comes the challenge. And take it down. We're going to make our way back to plank position. Feel your full body engaged. Chaturanga Dandasana slowly. On your fingertips, pressing your feet, lifting up to your chest, Cobra. Exhale, slowly, mindfully lower down, one vertebra at a time down. Make your way back to child pose. Let us adding beautiful moving cats and cows. Inhale forward, exhale back. Adding gentle head roll. Enjoy this moment with eyes closed. Enjoy this moving meditation. Now slowly coming forward back to table and lifting up to your body up on your knees. I'll be facing toward to you from now. Hands on your hips, extending right leg straight to the side, pressing your foot down. Checking bottom knee in line with your arch, tuning into your pelvics. Keep your core engaged, arms out to T shape, and turn your palms up and over your head, interlacing your fingers, index reaching high. Breathe in, lower to the left. Exhale, pressing yourself up. Very good. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, come up. 3 more. Down to the left. Exhale, up. 2 more down. Lots of obliques engagement. 1 last round. Exhale, up. Well done. Now as you lower to the left again, lower the bottom hand all the way down to the ground. Extending upper hand goes over your head. Let us adding gentle shoulder mobility. Inhale, extend. Exhale, lower the upper hand down. Circling back up. Exhale, down. Reaching higher. Exhale, down. Let's reverse 3. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, down. Twice more. Forward and up. One last biggest circle up. This time as you lower your upper hand down, place your palm down. Fingertips in line, push the ground, rounding your upper back and mid back. Very good. Keep your knees together and come back to where we started. Good job. Extending left leg straight to the side, moving on to the other side. Tuning into your pelvis, engage your core. Let's extending arms up over your head, interlacing your fingers, index reach. Inhale, lower to the right. Exhale, pressing back up. 4 more down. Exhale, up. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now lower yourself all the way down, bottom palm pressing down, foot pressing, extending upper hand goes over your head. Big breath in. As you exhale, lower the upper hand, circling down. Inhale, up. Exhale, circling down. 1 last round, biggest circle. Exhale, down. Let's reverse. 3, 2, and now biggest circle. Very good. Lower your upper hand down, pressing both palms, round your upper back and mid back and your neck. Well done. Keep your knees together, hips down to your heels. Extending arms up, interlacing your fingers, push your palms up, gently rocking side to side. Releasing your arms behind your back, opening up to your chest and lean forward and down. Hips down to your heels, shoulders pulling back away from the ears. Head and neck heavy, gently rocking your shoulders side to side. Carefully releasing your arms down by your side. Resting your body fully in child pose. Come up to seated. Your choice to sit it in Vajrasana or come down to easy cross-leg position. Let's extending arms up, goodbye, stretch together. Exhale, pray your hands down to your heart. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. Hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.